Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display. In here we've got all of settings for our display. For example, we can change between light and dark mode, schedule dark mode, and enable or disable adjust wallpaper to dark mode, and adjust text and backgrounds automatically. Then we can manually change brightness level, enable or disable automatic brightness, and sunlight mode. Next, we can enable or disable reading mode between classic, paper, or schedule it. Then, we can change color scheme between vivid, saturated, and standard, change refresh rate between high and standard, manage when device is in VR between reduce blur or reduce flicker, and in the end we can enable or disable auto rotate screen. Also, we can change text size. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.